What's up, YouTube? Back here with another one. Today we're at Dorsey's Knob in West Virginia. It's a very mountainous course, so yeah, we'll see how we do. Kind of windy out here, but let's get right into it. All right, guys, we're on hole one. We're going to be playing the short pads to the short baskets just because the rough here is so bad. If I throw it in there, I might never get my disc back. But yeah, gonna go with the Swan 2, just try to get it down the fairway. Hit a tree, but should still be good. Alright, we're on hole 2. This one's kind of open, so I'm gonna play the longer pad to the longer basket. Gonna go with this West Side Audi. Alright guys, got a little bit of work to do on this one. Let's see if I can make this putt. Sit. Gonna have a tough putt, putting from under that tree. Alright guys, hole 4. Super downhill, kind of tucked away by the trees. Gonna go with the West Side Audi. Alright guys, got hole 5 here. It's in this little grouping of trees down there, kind of hard to see. Gonna try with the West Side Prince. Alright guys, we got hole 6 here. We're gonna play from this pad to my right, my left, but your guys is right. It goes down this fairway, out into the open, and it's kind of far away, so gonna try to go with this West Side Prince and see how it goes. So I landed just right here. The basket is just over this hill. Gonna try to go with the anvil here. Alright guys, we got hole 7 here behind us, playing up the hill a little bit. Gonna go with the West Side Prince. Alright guys, we got hole 8 here, 253. Gonna go with the Audi. It's out and to the left, you can't really see it. I'm in the weeds again. Alright guys, we got hole 9 here, playing up this huge hill. It's up there and to the left. Just gonna try to throw it as far as I can. Gonna go with the West Side Prince. Yeah. Hopefully I can find that. Last hole I had to search for like 20 minutes just to find my disc. Alright guys, this is hole 10, and so far, just a recap from the front 9. It is very challenging. There's some shots where you have to hit your gap, other ones that are wide open, and I feel like the T-pad signs are deceiving. It'll say 300 feet, but really it plays longer than that. But anyway, we're on hole 10. Gotta hit this gap here. It's about 200 feet. Gonna go with the Swan 2. Alright guys, this is hole 11. Plays up and over this hill to the right and down the hill. Gonna try to go with the Swan. Sounds like I hit the trees. Alright guys, hole 12. Says it's 294, but it's so downhill. Just gonna try to go with the swan here. Alright guys, hole 13. I don't see a yellow basket, so I'm just gonna go to the white one that's there. Gonna go with the Adi. Alright guys, hole 14. Up the hill to the right. Gonna go with the West Side Prince. Short. Alright guys, hole 15. Out there to the right. Gonna go with the West Side Prince again. Alright guys, hole 16 here. It's up the hill and to the right. Gonna go with the Prince here. Man, I was trying to go over those trees because the basket's on the backside, but I'm just before it. Alright guys, hole 17 here. Up the hill and to the left. Going West Side Prince here. Alright guys, this is hole 18. Up the hill. Gonna go with the West Side Prince. Alright guys, that's a full 18 out here at Dorsey's Knob Disc Golf Course in West Virginia. And it was a brutal course. It was very brutal, but it was very beautiful at the same time. It was like a mixture of disc golf and hiking. Took me almost 4 hours to complete a round. And yeah, I walked about 5 miles, so it's a long course. Bring lots of water if you guys come out here to West Virginia, and I'll see you guys in the next one.